Welcome, girls, to another class for value education. And today, in this subject, we'll be doing a topic Have Faith in God. It's a beautiful topic, girls, and a very important one also. As we begin the lesson, I will just quote from the book that God is our most loving Father. He cares for us and watches over us. He's always there to protect and safeguard us. And in return, He expects us to love Him and to have faith in Him. Okay, do we have faith in Him? And if so, how much? So, it says that God is our most loving Father. And at the end of the lesson, you will come to know how much loving He is when we compare Him with our earthly fathers. And He watches over us, He's always there for us, He protects us and safeguards us, and never allows any harm to come to us. And the only thing in return that He expects from us is to love Him and to have faith in Him. So, in connection with this, there's a story that goes on to say that George Simpson was the captain of a ship. That ship that you can see in the picture there, yes. And this ship used to carry passengers from England to USA. On one such trip, he took along with him his wife and his little daughter. And being a long voyage, they were for many days at sea. After a few days while at sea, once they found the ship to be in danger of sinking. The waves were high, it had gone stormy at sea, and the ship was in danger of sinking. And everybody got frightened. Some were running here and there, some were crying, some began to pray, yes, and many didn't know what to do. And like all others, even the captain's wife was in tears. Yes, she was also worried. And so many a times she tried to wake her little daughter up, who was asleep in the cabin. In the picture you can see that right now she is not sleeping. But while we are doing the story, she is fast asleep. And the mother, in helter-skelter and in a worry, she's trying to wake her up. But the girl only turns around and she doesn't get up. She doesn't respond. After a lot of persistence, her mother gives up. And this girl, she turns and says, "Don't you know who's the captain of the ship? For as long as my dad is there, nothing will happen to any one of us." And surely, girls, after a little while, the waters at the sea calmed down, the storm calmed down, and the ship continued its voyage, and everyone on board slept soundly. So, girls, this is trust that this child has in her father, and I'm sure that you all too have the same level of trust in your fathers at home. But, girls, we need to remember that we need to have the same or similar faith in God our Father. Why? Because He's more powerful and more loving than any father on earth. Remember that. He is made your father also. So, God our Father is more powerful than any father on earth. We must have absolute, means complete faith in Him. Yes, and when we have this faith in Him, we need not fear anyone or anything. And there's a very, prominent saying, when the Almighty is with us, who can be against us? Yes, it says, or it means that when God is for you, nobody can be against you. So, girls, this is only what God wants. For all His love for us, that we need to have complete faith in Him and trust Him and never doubt Him. Yes, so let's have complete faith in God, and no one then will be able to harm us in any way. Thank you, girls.